it's almost here. RAPID plus TCT, which runs May 2nd to 4th in Chicago. I hope you're as excited as I am to explore the show floor and sit in on powerful keynotes, panels, and presentations. I'm Todd Grimm, an advisor for RAPID plus TCT and president of TA Grimm & Associates, an additive manufacturing consulting and communications company. Every year since 1995, I've attended this event. As a presenter, advisor, and attendee, I've attended 28 times, and the 2023 event will make it 29. I'm excited for the doors to open, but also a bit apprehensive. With all the activities and exhibitors to see over 3 days, I know I'll be exhausted and mentally fatigued. If you've attended RAPID plus TCT before, you know what I'm talking about. But there's a pounding drum beat that I silently hear in my head, one introduced last year that I know will rejuvenate me at the end of an exhausting day one. Returning this year, and just as exciting as last year, is the AM Industry Celebration. Acting as a sort of Pied Piper, a drum line will march through the show floor, pounding out a beat to usher a sea of people to the celebration. A celebration with live entertainment, food, drink, and more importantly, a big crowd of people to meet and connect with. Of course, you don't travel to the show for entertainment. You go for knowledge and connections. Perusing the agenda, I see plenty of that. There's so much to participate in that you'd be wise to travel to RAPID plus TCT with a colleague or two so that you can divide and conquer. According to Lou Tacritti, conference producer, RAPID plus TCT 2023 has the strongest agenda I've worked on in my life. As an advisor, I wholeheartedly second that. On the main stage, which all can enjoy at no additional cost, you'll see 2 keynote speakers and a keynote panel, plus 16 hours of thought leadership panels, industry panels, and an AM Awards ceremony. For the additional investment and a full conference pass, you'll have access to 8 topic tracks offering 168 presentations. The industry-aligned tracks cover automotive, aerospace, defense, consumer goods, and healthcare. And the non-industry tracks have presentations in wider industrial, R&D, and AM ecosystem buckets. But back to my comment of not enough time for one person to see it all. RAPID plus TCT has a packed show floor with over 380 exhibitors. Over 3 days, the show floor will be open for 19 hours. Now let's do some math. The main stage has 16 hours of programming that's concurrent with the show floor being open. If you enjoyed the entire main stage program, you'd only have 3 hours to discover solutions on the expo floor. And if you're only interested in 1/4 of those exhibiting, you'd have less than 2 minutes to spend at each booth. See why I say to bring a friend? So if you're doing anything in additive, I encourage you to join us in Chicago. For registration and details on all the week's activities, visit rapid3devent.com. I hope to see you there.